We will be using just one default Procreate brush, and it will be medium blend under airbrushing. And for a color, we're gonna pick something grayish, kind of like. And so opacity is 100, and the size, well, my canvas is a screen size, so I'm just gonna take like 6%. And now we're gonna take a look at feathery clouds. And this brush it's really cool. I love it. If you press harder, you're just gonna get this. But if you press a little bit lighter, it also smudges it out. So now what we want to do is just mark by pressing a little bit harder where we want our clouds to be. So these will be feathery clouds. They're kind of like this. And now, just using the same brush, you don't have to change any settings, but press lightly and smudge a little bit everything out, so it kind of gets this airy, feathery feeling. So that would be the base. Now if you want, you can put some darker colors in, maybe on the bottom, and there's some darker parts, and just smudge them in. Press a little bit harder to put the paint in and smudge it in. So you get the idea. And now we can place some highlights only on the top. And just smudge them in. You can even smudge them out some more and make them like more airy. Now we can also take a look at some more puffy clouds. So again, take a little bit darker color for the base. And just draw like approximate shapes for your clouds. And again, you can just smudge out some parts. Again, you can place some more shadows if you want to. Maybe you're having a sunset and you can take some like pinkish orange colors, and again put your shadows somewhere towards the bottom, and also where you want your clouds to kind of to split them. Just make all sorts of random brush strokes, kind of round ones, straight ones. So here behind this cloud, to have more contrast, we will put some shadows in. Now let's take highlights. Something on the very top, some brighter parts here. And push harder again to put the color in, and then just release your pencil and lightly smudge it in. What I like doing, it's just a very small thing. I push the pencil a little bit harder, and then when I smudge it in, I smudge it up to here. So it leaves this little bright highlighted line on the side of the cloud. I don't know if you can see it that well. So I don't smudge it out like until the very edge. Sorry for my voice, feeling a little bit under the weather, like something like that. So there you go. And as I said, if you're having something like a sunset painting, you can put in, again, just using the same brush, put in some more pink tones towards the bottom. And just one more thing. Now we made 2 different types of clouds, so you could even mix them together. Just turn on both of your layers, and look, you have a really pretty, kind of realistic looking sky. And it was really easy, just one brush, and that's all. I hope this was useful to you and you maybe learned something new. So, yep, thank you for watching.